Highlighting and removing duplicates. A common task when managing guest lists includes identifying, cross-checking, and removing duplicate values. This sample list includes a few duplicate guests. We can spot Shirley Hurd, Bryce Nix and Cheryl Randall for example. Let's activate Excel's Highlight Duplicates feature. Highlight your sheet or only particular cells and columns. Click on your Home tab, and on Conditional Formatting. Click on Highlight Cell Rules, Duplicate Values. Keep the current setting as duplicate and click on OK. All duplicate values across each column of your sheet are now highlighted in red. When managing smaller lists, you may check each duplicate first name and last name value and delete the duplicate. Once you delete the duplicate record, the remaining cell will no longer be highlighted as a duplicate. You may also sort or filter your list by color to speed up this task. When managing larger guest lists, use the Remove Duplicates function. To do so, click on your Data tab, and on the Remove Duplicates icon, which can be found within the Data Tools section. You may now select one or multiple columns. If your list has email addresses or phone numbers, these unique values are usually the best choice to remove duplicate guests. If however, let's say, a secretary registered multiple guests with the same email address, you better choose all or at least, email, first name, and last name to check for duplicate values covering all these columns. Similarly, if your guest list only contains first name, last name, and company name, you better select all three to avoid Excel removing guests with the same common names. Once you are done, click on Conditional Formatting again and click on Clear all rules from your sheet. If you like this video, please click on thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more event planning hacks. Thanks for watching.